drive in Dubai.
Left turn only, remember?
So, yeah, kind of a bit all over the place at the moment because we just had basically we just had a nightmare at the airport trying to collect this car, so
we'll explain at the hotel because we need to get our bearings while we're driving.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, it's down here, the arrow's going down here.
I'm sure, I thought you drove on the right here though.
Wait, do you?
Wait, the lights are on, aren't they?
I don't know.
I assume they're on. Oh no, they're not. Now they're on. Yeah, now they're on.
Is that not high beam? Oh my god, no, literally, you would think no one's ever drove a car before.
No, I don't. I think we should pull over and...
You probably can't pull over here because we're at the airport, remember? I've got the directions on my phone.
It's going to work then, isn't it?
It just says head northwest.
Nothing going, is there?
No.
Okay then, so right now we are actually driving to Denny's. Now it would have only been like a 10-minute walk, but yeah, in this heat I don't fancy walking, to be honest. Like, I want to be out in the heat as little as possible. Oh wait, it wasn't supposed to be in. Yeah, so we're driving there. I don't know what we're gonna do for parking. I'm hoping that there's like some bay parking there. We're only like 2 minutes away, so we'll soon find out. But if you've ever like wondered what driving is like in Dubai, then it's pretty much like any other city, to be honest. It's, you know, you have blocks like in LA, New York. I've drove in LA, I've drove in like Florida, places like that. It's just basically like separated up into like blocks, like streets and avenues essentially. And yeah, you know, as long as you follow the traffic signals and you go with the flow of traffic, you should be fine. There's a lot of like misconceptions about like Dubai. Everyone's a crazy driver, but you get people like that everywhere. Do you know what I mean? You just have to sort of make sure you check in your mirrors and make sure you know where you're going, and then stay in your lane. Don't like cut across lanes and things like that. So yeah, that's our first sort of thoughts on driving in Dubai anyway. Lambo, G-Wagon.
Oh, bloody hell.
So we are around half the way there now, and it's actually pretty much a straight road all the way there. Now, as you just saw, it's crazy how wide these like highways are. I mean, this is like 100km/h road, which is like 62 mph, and there's like 6 lanes across. So that's like a hell of a lot of lane changes, and you know, cars just going here, there and everywhere. So yeah, you need to like have your wits about you, and obviously just be keeping your eye out for the people that just drift across the lanes without even indicating, because there's a lot of people that do that here. guys, so we're actually on the Palm now. We're kind of like in the middle of it, and it really didn't take that long to get here at all. I thought the traffic was going to be a lot worse than this, but where's that telling me to go? And I think the sat nav things were like up in the air. But yeah, so we're pretty much in the middle of the Palm now. We're just heading right through the middle to the back of it. That's where the water park is. And the one thing I do want to say is it's so much bigger than what I thought it was going to be. Like the Palm Islands, like I thought each sort of like strand on the Palm, as you look at it, like from above or on the map, I thought it was just going to be like a single road, but it's absolutely huge. Just you know how big this island is. It's like got its own highways and everything. So.
Sorry if I grab onto you already.
University City. That's a university. Film that. That's a university. Crazy. Looks like a palace, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, so first time fueling up in United Arab Emirates, and it was actually a lot easier than what I thought it was going to be. I guess everyone who's in front of me made it look more difficult, but it was easy paying on card anyway. It was like, you know, just insert my card, then you just type in how much you want to fill up. I just put like 100 dirhams, which is around £20. It was nowhere near that for half a tank. It was like 23 dirhams, which is around about a fiver less than that maybe. So per litre here it's just over 2 dirhams, which 2 dirhams is like 40-50p per litre, which I guess is kind of similar to like how much it would be in the USA, but in the UK it's like £1.20 per litre, so it's like 3 times as expensive in the UK, which is crazy. I can see why everyone has like big petrol powered cars here, and like barely anyone has diesels. But yeah, we're about an hour and 6 away from Hatta now, so we're gonna push on and just enjoy the road. Pretty much it's just like a straight route there, like we're just on the highway. It's like 120 kilometers an hour speed limit, so it's pretty much, you know, this sort of road all the way.
I bet that we could have made this work and probably would have figured things out, but I guess I'm a letdown. But it's cool, I checked out. You want to be friends now?
Oh my god, I really don't like it. Oh, I'm sick. it is. Oh my god, it looks so pretty.
Alright, so because the sat-nav isn't working, we thought we would try and head back the way that we thought we came. Turns out we were just heading towards the Oman border, and we literally just went right up to it. And luckily you could do a U-turn. Now you think, you know, it shouldn't be a problem, you know, crossing into another country that borders United Arab Emirates, but one, we don't have our passports on us, and two,
you need a visa.
Yeah, you need a visa. Like you can't just cross into the country. It's only for local residents. Like you have to be a, you know, United Arab Emirates citizen to just passively, you know, just to go through them without any problems. So yeah, luckily we could do a U-turn there, because that might have caused us some problems. I was just expecting us to be like, stop there.
I know.
You know, you'd be arrested.
Are you sure?
At roundabout, take first exit.
So many pretty girls are really in there. Waking up and give up.
It was this song.
Enough for that. Last bit of aircon.
Yeah.
Right, turn everything off.
That's my fun.
Goodbye, Kai. You've been good to us.